If you are getting the can't send this video error on WhatsApp for Android, don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps. Sometimes the issue is just a weak or unstable connection. Next, check the size and format of the video. WhatsApp allows up to 16 MB per video. If the video is too large or in an unsupported format, try trimming it. Or try sending files using attachment. You can watch the process in this video. You can find this video in my channel and I will put the link in description. Now go to your phone settings. Apps. Manage apps. WhatsApp. Storage. And tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats, just clears temporary files that might be causing the issue. After that, restart your phone and try sending the video again. Also, make sure you have given WhatsApp all the necessary permissions. Go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, WhatsApp, Permissions, and enable access to files and media. Finally, make sure your WhatsApp is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and tap Update if available. That's it. Your video should send smoothly now. If this fixed your issue, hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.